Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Hayat Joy. So today I and my friends are heading to Stillwater, so we'll have so much fun there. And now today is Independence Day, so we are planning to go there. We'll roam there, we'll see so many places, so let's go. So now we are nearby Lift Bridge. Just see.
Last year? Yeah. Maybe it got shrunk by 4.
So I mean that one is Lift Bridge, right?
I think so.
What's the name? I think so, man. You're not confirmed.
No, I visited a place similar to this. I don't know where that. Oh, that was on the way.
So now we are in Stillwater Boat Club and Rentals. From here you can take rents or boats. There are so many types of boats you can take rent.
Thank you.
So Samil, how's the price of rent here?
Price of rent?
Yeah, like
For the boats?
Yep. How's the total per hour?
Maybe if you book it online, it's I don't know, 50, maybe 20 bucks an hour. Depends on the boat.
It's for per adult or per person or what?
Possibly, yeah. But I'm just making things up, so I don't know.
So it's almost raining and it's quite hard for us to roam. So these types of boats are like for family groups and friends. Like with your family friends, you can sail these types of boat. It's a big boat. Almost 8 to 10 people can ride in this boat. So what we heard that the booking system is you need to book it at first in online, then you can road these kind of boats. But we are trying to contact with them, and if it's possible we will ride it now. So let's see. So this is the station and this is the gas station. From here they refill the gases. See, and here I have so many boats. There are also so many boats. If it's possible we will go there also and we will show you the whole place. I love these types of things like boats, and this is my first time. If I ride this type of boats, this will be my first time riding this type of boats. Just see, it's so awesome.
here
God.
that we get fireworks this
You
year.
got me. We'll get back to you.
So this is firearms. Today they will display of firearms also. We can enjoy today firearms, fireworks, everything.
Okay. I'm gonna go down and help those guys.
I got a pop-up.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, send George back up here. Have him drive his car down there with the.
So now you're in Midtown Antique Shop. Just see, there are so many antique collections. I love these kind of things. There are so many things, but it's quite expensive because of antique. So they have upstairs shop also. So now we are going in upstairs. Wow. Now we are in second stair and they have one more steps to go. So as you can see here, everything is antique collections. So they are selling all of the items. It's a big shop, so I think it will not be possible for us to roam the whole shop. I'm taking some pictures. This is really awesome place. It's really awesome. So here is Santa.
Gears? There's the gear shifter.
Yeah, I think they add something new also. Like not everything is antique. I think so. Not everything is antiques. These cycles are antique.
This concept board is antique right here. We still have them in India. Maybe this is like the early 1850s or something. Not sure.
তো যারা আমার ভিডিওটা দেখতেছেন সবাই শেয়ার করে দেন যেন বাকিরাও দেখতে পারে। তো এই ড্রেসগুলো ওরা এখানে সেলের জন্য রাখছে, দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন। এই ড্রেসগুলোর দাম কিন্তু হয়তো মনে হবে অনেক চিপ, বাট এগুলো অনেক এক্সপেন্সিভ, কারণ এগুলো প্রায় ধরতে গেলে প্রাচীনকালের অ্যান্টিক কালেকশন যেহেতু। আসলে জায়গাটা এত বড় যে ঘুরে শেষ করা যাবে না, অনেক বড়। যত দূর চোখ যাবে ততটুকু আপনি শুধু এই যে অ্যান্টিক কালেকশন দেখতে পারবেন। আমি আমি এটা দেখে ভাবছিলাম মানুষ, এই ডলটাকে দেখে আমি ভাবছিলাম মানুষ। সো এখানে মিউজিক ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টালও আছে যেগুলো ওরা সেলের জন্য রাখছে। Just see the view.
Yes. What do you need?
সো এখানে এই যে মানে কাঠ কাটার জন্য যেগুলো প্রয়োজন সেগুলো এখানে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, ওগুলো সব অ্যান্টিক কালেকশন। See the jackpot. Oh, I lose. Okay.
Joy, what did you find?
I brought one a sheep.
Come on, you got it.
Yeah, antique sheep.
Where is it?
This is
It is in counter. I get them.
Man, I didn't find anything else.
Joy, film this. Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Wait, stay like that.
Yeah.
3,
2, 1. Annabelle. So I brought this one. It cost me $8 and that's good. It's cheap. I found it cheap, so that's why I brought this. It's so heavy. So here I have so many other. Okay, so I think I can buy one taxi. আপনারা কমেন্ট করে জানাতে পারেন কোন কোন জিনিসগুলো কেনা যায়, যদি আপনাদের আইডিয়া থাকে এই অ্যান্টিকের জিনিসগুলো নিয়ে, মানে প্রাচীন কালের যে জিনিসগুলো আছে এগুলো নিয়ে। So here a dress collection also, like if you want you can buy dresses also from here. So all of this is pencil sharpeners, but it looks so good. So see, this is sharpener. You can sharpen your pencils. So the price of all of this is like maximum $12 to $14. By $12 to $14 you can get all of the items, like per piece is $12, $13, $14. Just see, it's awesome. There's so many types of antique sharpeners, pencil sharpeners. So we are spending a lot of time in antique shops because here is so many things to see, and we are spending a lot of time here, and we loved this place. There's dolls, and you can get ceramics also here. Oh, this is also cool. I'm going to upstairs.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
You saw your name?
Where?
There. You didn't saw? Go. Right here.
Wow, it's good. I thought you will. No. It's okay. This is also good. It's also only $8. All of this is like awesome.
That's always fun. I love it when.
So I brought
Yes. Are you
these
ready
two,
to check out?
this one and this one.
And
This
you're-
cost me $6. This cost me $8.
Oh, you have the snowball.
And
Yes. Okay. Choice, right? Yes. If you're happy, we're happy. Okay.
so Rahul brought this one.
Oh, it is? Okay. Okay, I do have it. All right, 1074 is a total.
Look at him. He's hitting a dick shit.
Oh, yummy, yeah, Ricky.
Oh yeah. It's fucking good.
So we are having our lunch. So today we are going to stay in this hotel. See, American. So now we are going inside to do check-in. And for one night, how much it cost, Savindra? Can you please tell?
126.
Okay, so actually if you book rooms before 10 days ago or 1 week ago, then you will get cheap price, but we booked the room like 2-3 days ago. That's why now it's so high. The price is so high because of vacation. So this one. Now we will do check-in. We will back to you guys later. So this is our room.
Man, I was like kind of busy, but
Okay.
it's okay. I appreciate it.
So our room is totally messed up, but we have 2 beds. In one bed, 2 persons can easily sleep.
And
That's good.
this is Sunday.
And this is the balcony from our room.
What was the place?
Like how much we paid is totally good. There one TV and everything totally messed up. I don't want to say. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, it's good. Now we are going outside to other places to visit.
What the other thing is, but
Ego.
it says
Ego.
But
So
it
let's
says
go.
to be mad.
Why you keeping me waiting? All I wanna be and you, been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Lose trust me.
So now the time is almost 7:30 p.m. and it's like a sunny weather. So can you tell me what's the name of this place?
This is the historic lift bridge. Let's take a look.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts
So
to
this
watch
bridge
your
is like
blue
lift
eyes
bridge.
fade
While
to
any ship came,
as you
that
fade
it lift up. That's why it's called a lift bridge. And it's so interesting.
fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you
now we are going to watch fireworks and fire gun. It's almost like in the ending session fire guns, but we can watch the fireworks. Which one? Which one will lift?
That one will lift. That one will lift.
Oh yeah, that bridge is lifting almost.
Yeah, now it will lift. Maybe coming down.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Perfect timing.
So Joy, I just want to get your thoughts on how this trip has been so far. Tell me.
Yeah, it's good. Like, yeah, we didn't place a lot of places. We didn't visit a lot of places, but still now it's good. Like we are staying nearby river, like nearby lake, and it makes me good.
So what were the highlights for your day so far?
I love the swimming one, the pool one. I love that.
Tell us a little more about.
I'm not gonna keeping those clips in my.
Tell us a little more about how you spend your time in the antique shop.
I should film.
Tell us.
Yeah, I love that because you know antique shop is antique shops. You can't compare antique shops with any other thing. You'll get so many 90s, 80s things over there, and yeah, that's
Fair
so
enough.
good.
man. That was fun.
Don't cry, Ricky, don't cry. The two road thing. Yeah, it is roads, man.
Man, I'm excited. Oh!
Now let me take some good snaps.
That was good. That was good. Man, we need to be mad. Come on. Man, that was crazy as fuck! I wish you were on a cruise. We can just hold on right here.
What do you want to see?
They were fighting for the cameras.
No, let's go.
I'm not from America. I'm gonna send this out to everybody.
No, I was gonna say, you wanna wait? All right.
Oh, do we have a choice? We have a water bottle right now. Oh, yeah.
Three, two, one, boom in! Let's go, let's go! That was a good one! That was wow! That was a good one, man. That was a good one.
Our Stillwater tour is ending right